I'm here to talk about my tools for success. Everything I've ever built was because I had the power in the palm of my hands. Just like you. I was not afraid to fail, to think outside the box. I built a new box. But wait a minute, I was not finished yet. A plan is only as great as the tools you use to execute it.
What? I'm sorry, what?
Success means having the power to do it yourself. The muscles scare the birds. You got this.
You got it, all the way up.
Yes!
All right. Let's see the chest. All right. Now let's build another bench, okay? Come on.